Afghani chicken. Let's start the recipe. 2 onions, coriander leaves, ginger, 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, 4 to 5 green chilies, around a tablespoon of oil, salt. Now we'll make a fine paste of it. Till the time we take the chicken, add very little salt, around 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a pinch of black pepper freshly crushed, and we'll marinate and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Take a bowl of curd, take the mixture, mix it well, add 2 tablespoons of cream, add a pinch of turmeric powder to give color to it, coriander powder, just half a spoon of garam masala. Keep stirring it for a minute so that all ingredients get mixed up well. Now we'll take the marination. We've taken just 250 grams of the marination. Rest we'll make the gravy of it. Now marinate the chicken for at least half an hour in the marination and just prick it so that all the marination flavors seep in the chicken. Take a grill pan. We will grill the chicken for 8 to 10 minutes. Now we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of clarified butter on top of it. Let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame. Around 100 grams of clarified butter or ghee, bay leaf, 4 cardamoms, 2 cloves, cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 black pepper. Add the marination. I love the color and the texture of the marination. See how beautiful it looks. We'll cook it on medium flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Time to add the cashew nut paste. Take around 2 spoons of cashew nut paste. Lower the flame and let it cook. Add the cashew nut paste. Cook it for 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. As the cashew nuts, cook the gravy on low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Let's check the gravy. Perfect color. You see the clarified butter on top. Now as we see our gravy is ready, time to add our chicken. See the color and texture of our chicken and juicy. Now let's add it. Time to add some masalas to the chicken. Add little salt, dhania powder, again little garam masala, and roasted fenugreek leaves. Cover it and let it simmer for 7 to 8 minutes. Let's check the chicken. Amazing. You see the flavor, the color, the texture of the dish. Perfectly done. Mix it well. Now let's do the plating. Our Afghani chicken is ready to serve. Serve it with roti, paratha or even flatbread. If you like the recipe, like, share and subscribe. And for any query,